Hi, I'm Kim Serafini, the founder, creator, inventor, CEO of Positive Prime Technology, and I'm about to explain to you one of the most exquisite aspects of our ingenious formula that makes this work for you. It's all about speed. So I'm going to dive into screen sharing for you so that I can help you immediately inside 60 seconds. Here we go. One of the ingenious aspects of our extraordinary formula that harnesses effective, clinically evaluated techniques from the fields of positive psychology and neuroscience is our ability to vary the speed at which a positive prime session flows. You may or may not already know this, but you're not viewing a movie or a video. It's not an MP4 or .mov file. It's its own special proprietary player, delivering an experience. And the adjustable speed is necessary to it working perfectly for you, accelerating change and allowing you to be in a positively primed state. And so we're here to give you a very quick tip on what, when, where, why, how with respect to the speed. So select a session. Number 1, press play. Number 2, and after you've pressed play, of course, it will start to load. It is actually carefully curating a custom experience for you right now, and you're going to see each one of the flashcards or frames, the slides, in a completely different order every single time you press play. And so choose how you're feeling, and then you'll notice that you'll actually see, as it starts to play, that there is a navigational bar across horizontally at the bottom. And if you hover over it, it will actually reveal slower, faster, a number with an X, and a time. The standard will start giving you a 60-minute exercise or activity, this mindfulness moment. You can speed it up, which you'll want to do if you need to bypass the conscious critical judgment factors of your prefrontal cortex, such that the messages will actually go into beyond your conscious and subconscious to your superconscious and your other than conscious, planting seeds there. And you're in the process of nurturing, nourishing, watering those seeds. And so what I want you to first of all notice is that you can go faster if you have less time and you actually really want to break through. If it's going very quickly, you can't resist or reject the messages. And the messages that you're seeing, the positive statements, the mantras, self-fulfilling prophecies, incantations, affirmations, they've been designed keeping in mind what is in your best interests for your other than consciousness, based on the very best that we understand about human potential and developing our possibilities. Each of the contributing authors are remarkable. They're world-class, they're loving, and they're actually transferring their enthusiasm and their generosity through a positive prime session. So before we go any further, you'll see that there is a word time. When you actually go and choose to click on time, you'll see that you can actually select 3 minutes. Go ahead and do that, and you'll notice that all of the slides or frames will actually be compressed and delivered. They're flowing through you and to you now at speed. This is what you want if you want to overcome yourself. Now, having said that, we as human beings have this insatiable appetite to be right. And so what I'm going to recommend is that in the beginning, you actually do watch sessions at 60 minutes or thereabouts, slower, on speed 1 or 2. And the reason why is because we want you to be able to savor the experience and read the words and feel their intention and allow yourself to resonate with them. I hope that helps. Ultimately, this is about your experience, and so do what makes you feel graceful and elegant and comfortable, and allow it to be gentle on you. You are blessed, and we want you to feel that. You are amazing. You're fabulous. You're dynamic. You are a gift to the world. We need for you to actually turn up the volume on your light, on your contributions, on your potential. So away you go, and I hope that's been helpful. We'll look forward to sharing a lot more with you on this journey. Thanks. Thank you. Here's a little extra if you're wondering about what to do if you're very busy and you want to watch a Positive Prime session on speed 1 or 2 so that you can relax into it and be in this harmonious, very serene and tranquil place or state. Well, do exactly that. Watch a Positive Prime session, be saturated, be satiated in the experience, and simply X out your internet browser tab after 3 or 5 minutes. You don't have to watch the entire Positive Prime session for it to have an amazing optimal benefit or an advantage to you. Sure, watching more sessions throughout the day for longer each time absolutely is profound and potent if you're on a rapid transformational journey. Absolutely, that's the truth. However, you can get real value from it if you watch just 3 or 5 minutes every other couple of days. It's a whole heap better than nothing. So give yourself the time, make the time, create the time, and literally just stop playing after 3 to 5 minutes. Or if you've only got a little bit left, speed it all the way up to max and watch it to the end on a really fast speed after you've been watching it for a couple of minutes on a slower speed. I hope that helps.